Dengue is a viral infection spread by the Aedes aegypti mosquito. It is found in Jamaica all year round, but after Hurricane Melissa last month, mosquito breeding sites have increased.
There are some 4 different varieties of the virus which can infect humans. The challenge with dengue is first exposure gives you illness. Second exposure, meaning with a different strain of the virus, can lead to severe dengue or dengue hemorrhagic fever, which is problematic.
Public health specialist Dr. Orville Nemard says dengue can be very dangerous. Some people may get serious complications, and in severe cases, it can lead to death.
Symptoms are headache, fever, joint pains, muscle pains, eye ache, for the general course of illness. For the severe cases which move on to hemorrhagic fever, then you may see things like blood in the urine, blood in the stool, or dependent on what's happening, if there's early monitoring in place, blood tests may show falling in certain blood components, which can indicate that they're moving towards a hemorrhagic type of fever.
Luckily, treatment is available to help with the symptoms.
Treatment for dengue is really supportive. There is no specific medication for dengue per se. Strongly recommend the use of paracetamol only for control of the fever and the aches and pains. The so-called group of non-steroidal drugs, which are commonly available over the counter, some of which are available over the counter, advise against the use of those because those can also predispose you to the severe form of illness, which is the hemorrhagic.
Dr. Nemard urges everyone to take precautions, remove standing water, use mosquito repellents, and sleep under nets. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.